Welcome to PythonLinks.info, where you can find the best Python videos organized by category. This application works really well on cell phones, so just scroll up, and here we have the 10 best talks at PyCon USA. They're ranked based on upvotes versus total votes. So let's compare that to PyCon USA on YouTube. You can sort them by date added, newest, date added oldest, or most popular. Whereas at PythonLinks.info, it's based on total votes versus upvotes versus total votes, much more relevant. And this is the best overall talks overall, but we can also see the subcategories. So let's just swipe up again, or use your keyboard, and here we can see the 10 best talks about data science, the 10 best talks about artificial intelligence, distributed systems, keynote, Python in the organization and the community, Python skills development, Python software, many different categories. So we'll go back up and let's jump to dive deep into this tree, taking Django async. This is one of the videos. You can see the upvotes, the downvotes. You can see the video. You can click on it and watch it. Excuse me, didn't mean to do that. You can click on it and watch it, and you can also go left, and so you can see all of the different Django talks. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, you can see where we are. Here we have the home page, the best talks of PyCon USA, Python software, web development. It talks about Django, and then this API-driven Django. So let's go back up. And here we see the 10 best talks about Django. Actually, there were only 6. Here we see the best talks about web development. Here we see the best talks of Python software overall. And here we have the best videos of PyCon US, organized by category. Okay, so we can also search. So maybe you're interested in DevOps talks. And even though there was no talk called DevOps, there's a category called DevOps, and you can see the best talks there. Or it's also interesting to search. You can search on all. And then you can see the entire tree. Quite a few, 148 talks currently. That's increasing rapidly. Let's go back to browse. Let's go back to one of these talks. It's very important that people vote for these talks because that's how we know which are the good ones. So when you vote, you have the option of logging in either with Google or locally, and you have to click the first one, which is give me permission to process your information to run this server. If you'd be so kind as to click the next one, which is let me help you get a better job, or if you're looking for good Python developers, click the third one. I'd really appreciate the support. That's what pays for this website. You click it registers you, and now you can see that you've got options. You can edit your profile, you can sign out. So there was, of course, PyVideo. They had 184 talks last year, maybe 50 to 150 talks at each conference. And they also have tags. But the problem is, even if you go to one of the tags that has a large number of actual talks, there's no rating. Sorry, that one only had 2. There's no rating on which are the... here we go. This one is a tag with a lot of talks, but there's no way to tell which is the best talks because they don't have the upvotes versus total votes. So, if you'd like to contact me, I invite you to go to pythonlinks.info/contact. And you've got my contact information. If you're running a conference, I'm very interested in importing your videos, displaying them, and categorizing them so people can see the best videos when they're from your conference. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.